Hi everyone and welcome back. So today we have this platform called Koongo, and this is an amazing platform if you are looking for e-commerce product data feed management. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. So now once we are inside our platform Koongo, what are we going to do is simply connect our e-commerce platform. So of course the platform offers you different type of features that are going to be helping you to create your e-commerce product. So you need to connect your online store with that. So I have Wix currently in here, so I need to set up my domain. Once I do that, I will be able to get my all of the features activated. So you can see we have various type of products and stores integration in here, like for example BigCommerce, CCV, and even we have Wix and Shopify that we can add on. Once you do that, you will be adding your favorite channel and you can customize your products in there. So let's say you have added Wix, you have all these adjustments that you can do, and you need to set up your domain. Once you do, you can see everything should be ready to go, and Koongo will be providing you different type of features related to your store, and eventually it is going to be boosting your sales. You also have its pricing and plans. You can check out that if you want to go for with any type of extra options and features. We have basic, standard, and premium with different price category. And yeah, so if you are unsure about Koongo, you can give it a try to its reviews. You can see we have some amazing reviews and amazing service and works perfectly fine. So yeah, to try out Koongo, you can head over to the link in the description, using which you can get extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.